Okay, this is the review at Subway. The Subway restaurant. It's a cell phone elevator. Love that thing. See, there's a Subway out there. This one is in downtown Greensboro though. Love that chime. 3. I know TJ is a free fan that you film USA. And this is a show for Sue Josh Happy for its 3,000th video. I just wanted to give a big shout to him. There's some offices right out there. Ding, and what's going on to one? You want to have a key to make you go close. It's very good cell phone elevator. There's your emergency phone, not idiot compliant. We are above that time over there. There goes in that